Hello everyone and welcome again. Today I am demonstrating a powerful technique for highlighting your active cells or your multiple active or selected cell in Excel using VBA. This approach is very helpful especially when you are presenting your financial data during your team meetings, during your presentation, as it clearly indicates your current focus, making it easier for your audience to follow along. For example, here's an example of an Excel file. If I just ask from the audience where my cursor or where my active cell, which cell is active one, so it would be very difficult for audience to follow me. But by this technique, which I'm going to show you in a very short span of time, your active cells will going to be highlighted with a different color, and it would be very easy for your audience to follow. As a finance professional, it's important to present data in clear and engaging way. Highlighting the active cells with VBA not only enhance the visual appeal of your spreadsheet, but also improve the overall effectiveness of your presentation. So we will start by accessing the VBA editor. How to find your VBA editor? Just click on Alter F11. So when you click Alt F11, you go to directly to the VBA editor. Now you have to find your file. For example, my file name is E2847 Financial Report. Just slightly drag down and you will find this workbook. You can make this change for on a specific sheet, but I want this change for the entire workbook. So it depends on you. If you just want to work on a single sheet and you want the active cells only highlighted on a specific sheet, you can select that sheet as well. But for this, you have to provide a different code. At the moment, I'm just considering the overall workbook, the entire workbook. So just double click on this workbook. So a new window will open. In this window, you have to copy paste a code which I'm going to share with this video, and it will be easily helpful for you to highlight your active cells. So here's the code. Select this entire VBA code and paste here. Now you have to save this file uh, in enable macros, Excel macro enable workbook. You have to save this file type uh, Excel macro enable workbook. Once you save this, okay. So now you can close this VBA by Alter Q, and now here is the funda. You can easily trace and easily find your highlighted cell, your active cell by highlighting in a different color. I have done this in the entire worksheet, so in the entire workbook, so you can see the entire workbook is working different. So when you're presenting your data during team meetings, it would be very helpful for you, uh, and it would be very easy for the audience to follow you where you are. So this is one of the best technique when you are presenting your financial data during team meetings. Furthermore, if you want to change the color, I have provided complete list of the RGB code. You just have to change the code and you will get the required one. For example, at the moment I have selected a light green color. Now I just want to change it into, let's suppose, gray color. So just copy this code, go again to the Visual Basic application. Now you have to change this code only. Select this and paste with the right one. Save the workbook. Once it's saved, the file is saved. You have to close your VBA code. Okay, now close this Alter Q. So you will find it. The color has been changed to green from green to gray. So this is something really good, and this technique is really helpful for you when you're working, when you're presenting during team meetings. I'm very hopeful that you guys would like this video, and it would be really helpful for you in your future. So I'm going to share a separate file for you, uh, having the codes to be used There are two codes, one is for entire workbook and one for the specific worksheet. You can use this code and make your life easier for you during presentation. So using VBA to highlight active and multiple cells not only add a professional touch to your Excel presentation, but also improve the clarity and impact of your data. I encourage you to integrate these techniques into your financial reporting and analysis workflows to enhance your presentation. Thank you for watching. If you have any question about the VBA code or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you.